These German Easter cookies are not only a great treat for your Easter Sunday brunch, but also for Mother's Day breakfast. The addition of quark gives these cookies an interesting texture. They are tender, soft, and fragrant and remind of a cross between shortbread and scones. Let me show you real quick the ingredients. Along with the usual cookie ingredients come some special ones that give this cookie the extra finesse. Fragrant strawberry extract, flavorful vanilla sugar, and sun-kissed dried strawberries from Olive Nation make these cookies a very special treat. Let me show you how to make them. Add the quark and egg yolks to a large bowl and mix until well combined. Then blend in the soft butter. Next, add the sugar, vanilla sugar, and strawberry extract and salt and mix briefly to combine everything well. Then sieve the flour and the baking powder to the bowl, blend everything briefly, and then knead the dough briefly until everything is well combined, but make sure to don't over-knead the dough. Wrap the dough into plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about 1 to 2 hours. After the resting time, roll the dough out to about 1/8 inch thickness. Then cut out circles with a cookie cutter or a glass with about 2 to 3 inch of diameter. I love cookie cutters that are a bit wavy, as this gives a very nice result during the baking process. You can make these flowers with or without jam. If using jam, place a few tablespoons of the jam into a microwave-safe bowl and then heat it for about a minute to make brushing the flower petals easier. Brush each circle with a thin layer of jam. Then place 4 to 5 circles overlapping in a row and roll it up. Then cut each roll through the middle into 2 pieces. Carefully pull out each leaf a little bit to open the flower and add some more jam if you like it sweet. You can leave it closed too, and then you just have a more closed flower. Then place the flowers on a with parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake them for about 20 to 30 minutes until they are golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool completely on a cooling rack and then sprinkle them with powdered sugar and add a dried strawberry in the middle of each flower. Enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. Guten Appetit!